beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful family, today I have one or two to ship in. I just wanted to listen to this update. Don't forget, share the video, like, and subscribe as I keep you updated on all the latest happening as we analyze them back to back. Listen to this particular information, and I'll be right back.
The light can never be overshadowed by darkness. The water can never be stopped. It flow. Without it, nothing survives. We do not pretend. We are who we are. You know us. We do not have anything to hide. You know us quite well. No matter how much we try to deceive ourselves, you know us. The world know us. Even in the dark, they can identify us. Some of us change our name. It doesn't change our identity. Some of us change our look. It doesn't change our identity. Some of us try to behave like Yoruba. It does not make Yoruba to see you as a Yoruba. Some of us try to behave like Fulani or Hausas. It doesn't make them see you as one of them. Some of you really support evil in order to make them like you. It does not change the fact that you are who you are. We are who we are. No matter how hard we try to change who we are, it does not change who we are. Because blood is thicker than water. Yes. No matter what you do for a Yoruba man to like you, you are a Biafran. They can never like you. You are a threat to them. No matter what you do for Fulani man or Hausa man to love you, they can never love you. You are Njamini. You are a Biafran. You can't change that. It is not your fault. You are not the one that created yourself to be so. So why don't you be proud of who you are and stand firm for what you are? Why are you trying to be what you are not? Why are you pretending to be what you are not? Why are you fighting so hard to defend what you cannot keep? Living a fake life. Living a fake life. Some of you think that when you wear agbada or you join Muslim, you are one of them. You are a bunker. You can never be one of them. Ariwa is Ariwa. Oduduwa is Oduduwa. Biafran is a Biafran. You can't change that. And this afternoon, I'm here to tell you that I am very proud of who I am. And I will ask you, do you know who I am? I am very proud of who I am. And in my next war, I wish I would still be a Biafran. I'm proud to be a Biafran. I don't know about you. I'm very proud to be a Biafran. So whatever thing you think or do is your business. And then if you are also proud of being a Biafran, you must wake up to defend this lovely nation. It is a gift by Almighty God for you to be a Biafran. It is a gift for you to be a Biafran. Do you know that I've been crying? A Yoruba man wake up one day and say, Arime Nnamdi Kanu was a Yoruba man. He could have liked it. A Hausa man wake up and say, Arime, Nnamdi is a Hausa man. He could have preferred it. It's a blessing to be a Biafran. It's a very big blessing to be a Biafran. So therefore, if you are a Biafran, if you are lucky to be a Biafran, if you are lucky to be a Biafran, appreciate God. If you are lucky to be a Biafran, appreciate God. Thousands and millions of people want to be like you. They wish to be like you. They wish, they pray so hard. Do you know the few who have seen the vision? Very few white people saw this vision. Do you understand me? Very white few Igbo people saw this vision. They know being a Biafran is a very big gift. Being a Biafran is a blessing. Being a Biafran is something you need. Then begin to queue up marrying an Biafrans. Look at the race of white that are getting married to a Biafrans all over the world. You'll be surprised because they have seen what some of you did not see. They have seen what some of you did not see. Because they know it's a very great blessing to marry a Biafrans. Yes. I'm very proud to be a Biafrans. And that is the reason you see the darkness fighting so hard to ensure that this light is being subdued, but they cannot. They cannot. You see this light? We will shine this light, and this light will remain shining forever. They can't quench it. No matter how hard they try to quench this light, they cannot quench it. They have spent enough money. They have spent enough money. They have put their best to see if they can stop this light of redemption. But their best be as if they never start. When you try your best and your best is still remain nonsense, useless, you have no other option than to give up. Nigeria is giving up because there's nothing they can do. There is nothing they can do. They can do nothing. And for those of you who did not see the possibility of Nigeria breaking into pieces, you will remain blind forever. You will remain blind forever. Because do you see this Biafra? It must be free. You can't stop it. We are Biafrans. And I'm very proud to be that. So if you are also proud to be one, then Kelechuku. Kelechuku for making you one. Okay? Or hey Biafra. Morning. I just want to play you music that it may make your day. For those of you that were choosing to make history, for those of you that are part of this historical movement, this music is for you. You were born to do this. And believe you me, there is nothing can stop you except yourself. If you are not whiter than white and whiter than snow, you'll be fall aside. That is why I say it is only you and you alone can stop yourself from this great task. Yes. It's a fact and it's a truth. When you allow the devil to enter you and deceive you, but the devil never force somebody to do his work. The devil will only suggest for you. And that is the reason in the great Igbo land they say, Ekwensu. It is when you agree that it will happen. And then you maintain your stand. And when you keep maintaining your stand, no matter how hard the temptation is look like, it will soon pass away. And then your crown will be given unto you. Your story will be told if you are no more. Yes, that is what it means to be whiter than white and whiter than snow. Standing before your enemy without fear, speaking the truth. Because it's what you are living for does not is worth dying for. And then you should not hesitate to die for it. I repeat, if you say and you believe that what you are living for, die for it. We believe that Biafra is worth dying for. And that is why we cannot hesitate to die for it. We believe that Biafra is our hope, is our life, and that is why we are willing. But I know what I want. I don't know your story, but I know my story. I don't know where you are going to, but I know exactly where I'm going to. I don't know what you want, but I know exactly what I want. I don't really know where you are going to, but I know that I'm moving forward toward the direction and destination of Biafra. I don't know what you want for your children, or maybe your unborn children, but I know exactly what I want for mine. As long as I know that Nigeria does not mean good for them, I'm looking for that better land, which is Biafra, for them.
What a great story, a great story. Man to live his business and fight for Biafra, to see for great Biafra, for great Biafra. What a great story, great story. What a great story, a great story. Man to leave his family, to fight for Biafra, to seek for great Biafra. The future of Biafra, what a great story, great story. What a great story, oh, a great story. Man to leave his house, to stay in the bush to fight for great Biafra. What a great story, a great story. Man to leave his family, to fight for Biafra, to seek for great Biafra. The future of Biafra, what a great story, great story. What a great story, oh, a great story. Man to leave his house, to stay in the bush to fight for great Biafra, for freedom of Biafra. What a great story, great story, oh. A great story, a great story. A man to live in business, to fight for Biafra, to seek for great Biafra, for great Biafra. What a story, great story. What a great story, a great story. A man to business, to fight for Biafra, to seek for great future, for great Biafra. What a story, great story.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.